Hi everyone, welcome to Techies Hobbies. So today I have with me Casio G-Shock GBD-200, which is the smartwatch offering from G-Shock. So let's see how it looks. Okay, so this is the watch. As such, I really like the way it is looking. The black on black dial. What do you call this? The negative display, and the overall matte black is looking really nice and pretty slim for a G-Shock, right? It's quite looking quite slim as well. So I had this, one of my first watches, or the one of my first Casio watches was one similar looking Casio. I mean, the shape of the case was something similar. It was something that I had found in my apartment in Kuwait. It was not initially not belonging to me. It was an old watch which I put on a strap and battery, and I started using it. That was my first memory of a Casio, and this watch kind of the shape reminded me of that. So yeah, coming to the watch. So I'm currently wearing a diesel watch with the custom made strap by Balsagar. So I'll be putting out a video soon on this. So just a wrist shot for you guys before I take it out. Okay, so let's first get into the dimensions of the watch before I put it on. So looking at the case, it's a squarish case, and it is measuring around 46 mm in terms of width. So there is center part is a little lesser, which is 44. So the because of the shape like this, and lug to lug is, I think I'll measure it from here to here. Looks like that. Looks like the start of the other strap. So lug to lug is around 48.6 mm, and the strap is, I think, the usual G-Shock straps, which is yeah, like the Casio oak sort of a strap, which is coming around 26 here, but inside it's usually 16. That's what I'm thinking, but I cannot really see the strap because of this holder. Anyway, I'm not gonna change this all black strap and the look of the watch. Let me put it on. All right, so the watch looks really nice on my wrist. I really like the negative display. So regarding the features of the watch, I need to really check the manual and get back on that. All right, guys. So I have gotten used to the functionalities of the watch. So I'll first explain the basic functionality. So this is the display button. So currently, it is in the world time functionality, wherein I can see the time of another city. So here I have set it as London. So if I am going to click here, then there are like different types of displays. So this one is the basic main time display, time, day and date. And if I click here, then this is a very interesting and utility one, wherein you can also see the time, day and date, and plus the steps for the week. So this is very interesting. And here, this is, I think, the distance. You can see the monthly distance that you have traveled or you have walked, right? And here, this is again back to the world time. So these are the different displays, and here there are modes. This is the workout mode. So this is something that you can set on the app, G-Shock app. I'll show how to do that. And once you have set it, you can have different laps and how much time you need for each lap and things like that. So this is a very interesting functionality. And here, this is the basic stopwatch, and then you can see your activity log. So this is another thing, and then here, this is a notification where you can read your email messages and things like that. But I have skipped this functionality because I do that via the phone directly. I don't need the watch. This is pretty much it. So, and then here there is a start and stop button here. So then another thing is, when you long press this display button, it takes you to the settings screen. So here the navigation is via this. So here you can see the home time you can set, and the time adjustment you can set, world time, alarm, and profile, beep, light, vibration. So I think the light, one of the functionality about the light is, so the light works like this, but when you turn it, if you want the auto light, you could set that, and if you want vibration, you can set that as well. Then there is the pairing with the phone. So I have already done the pairing, so you can you turn it on using this. Then the aeroplane mode, phone finder, this is an interesting thing where you, if you have lost a phone and if the watch is still connected, you can use this to find the phone. And unit and reset all, and all these functionalities are here. So yeah, now you go back. So this is pretty much the functionalities of the watch. I'll show you the how this thing works on the app, G-Shock Move app. All right, so here is the G-Shock Move app. So here you can see that it is syncing with my phone, and you can see the activity and history and all those things. So it's a new phone, so I don't have much data there. Sorry. And then in the more option, then you have the watch settings like GPS, training phase, where you can set the one I told you, like the splits or the lap times and all those things you can set here, and various functions are there. So we have the light setting as well. If I want the auto light, wherein where I turn the watch and the light turns on, all these things you can set here. So I think that's not needed for me, so I am not going to use that. So overall, this is it. This is pretty much. So there is a phone finder function as well in the watch, which is really nice. So this I might try. Okay, so this is definitely something that I'm gonna try. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys like the video. If you do, please like, share, subscribe, and leave your feedback in comments. Thank you.